What's up, guys? It's Mr. DS18. You guys know that we're coming up with our 10th year anniversary, so check this out. We got the Pro Series, the 8 inches in 4 ohms and in 8 ohms, our 10th year anniversary edition. Check this out. We have one connected on our board, and then we have one backwards so you guys can check out. This is the 4 ohm version. This is the 8 ohm. Let's open this boy up. Check it out. We got the warranty card, sticker, nice DS18 manual, complete, cool, some cardboard. Let's get this bad boy out of the bag. Check out this 8-inch beauty. Beautiful. You guys can see the 10th year anniversary edition on the bottom of the foam, the DS18 logos, nice DS18 dust cap, paper cone, edge surround. Check out that back plate. DS18, 8 inches, 550 watts max, 275 RMS. This is the 8 ohm version, 10th year anniversary. This is, let's open up the manual. This is 8 ohms, 275, 97.8 dBs. Frequency response is 60 hertz all the way to 8 kilohertz. It has a 1.5 inch voice coil. Now, everybody always wants to see these bad boys in action. So we got the 4 ohm hooked up to our Select Series amplifiers. Let's pick out a cool song. Let's get this out of the way so you guys can see that speaker perform. Here we go. Let's turn this baby on. I'm not sure which one it is. Volume set. There we go. Sounds amazing. Amazing. Let's switch the song out. The voice is deep. So, there's no tweeter attached to it. No tweeter on the board. But it sounds so good. It's so clear. I'm telling you guys, this 10th year anniversary series is gonna be a hit. So you make sure you check it out. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it loud.